I think this is a very interesting and innovative approach of changing the perception around the librarians. Librarians are basically seen as kind of guys who are a bit traditional. Of course, they disseminate knowledge, and they are the guys who help us build the intellectual capital. But at the same time, they're also seen as guys who are not so much in touch with technology and the innovation and the latest trends and practices, stuff like that. This workshop breaks that perception by bringing them onto a platform where they can witness the latest developments around the industry. They can see the digital transformation, and basically the theme of the topic, that's very interesting, transforming the libraries into LRCs. And so what is to be taken from the workshop, the whole idea is to lift the mindset of seeing the libraries just as libraries to resource learning centers. So that's the next level of the game we are looking at. Now what this workshop does is this brings the thought leaders in front of the librarians, and they get in touch with the latest practices that are happening around the libraries and how the LRCs are being built, different case studies, how top-notch institutions are leveraging on the best practices. And on the top of that, we have people like me who are from the marketing background, and how we can leverage digital marketing to build the libraries into LRCs. So that's what we are going to see in more of my workshop. We are trying to explore how the digital marketing how the librarians can actually become a bit of digital marketers to promote the content, to reach out to the right audience, to build a connect with them, and to brand their LRCs so that they are seen as a kind of great asset for their institution, and they are also a great relationship builders for towards the students, towards alumni, towards industry, towards faculty, and the leadership of the institution. So this has been a wonderful program. I'm really excited to be here, and I look forward to such more programs in future.